So hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Sofa and today we're gonna have the first review on unpacking a parcel which I currently received. So this parcel includes a couple of interesting items which I would like to share with you all guys. So let's do it. I need to check. Okay, gonna unwrap that carefully without cutting the inside. Here we go. Okay, and unveiling some photographs. The Ukrainian postage is really not the best in the world, so stuff like that happens very often. So it's empty now. Now let's see what we got here. I'm a big fan of documents and photographs, of course awards too, but I had some offers from one collector, so I could not resist and purchase a couple of those items. Now let's start to see what we got here. So this is basically an ID for a communist shock worker. So what is a communist shock worker? Labor shock worker, say it like that. It's actually for performing excellent work, and this document, as far as you can see, it's from 1963. It was given to Brovarnik MF, if I'm correct, and he was awarded with a badge as excellent shock worker. I will not fix that, I will not restore it, I will keep it the way it is. So here you should have normally the photograph. Normally it's actually it's not normal to have a picture. I mean, like, I have many of those documents and just maybe like 5 or 6 with photographs in them. It's not required, so even the stamp is saying that. It's the signature of the owner. The name of the person is Andrei Dmitrovich Sinchuk. Yeah, Sinchuk, probably Ukrainian. It's pretty cool to have the name, because if you go on the next side, you can actually see the award he was giving. It's the Red Star, or Order of the Red Star, with a number of the award. And it was giving, okay, he had the permission to carry it from 1947, and it was also, I don't know, it's January 47, yeah. So basically, probably he received this award after the war. Two options. First option, or he received it for something he was performing any kind of a action during war, and this was a delayed award, or for long service. It's also possible, but this one can be really good research, because there are several pages where you can actually go in and you have a database of names, and you can then associate this name of this person with this award. I will also do a little review later on that. Now we have, this is something sadly, because there is a page missing, is actually saying the statute, or what actually an award is, what kind of opportunities, or what kind, well, opportunities is wrong, it's actually what kind of benefits the award gives you. So it's actually written here, and there should be like more pages. See, it's just number 7. This booklet was released by the in 1945. Moscow Mint, say it like that, or yeah, Goznak is actually government insignia, government sign, something like that. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So this is kind of like the original award document. Mostly they are also like very worn and stuff like that, but pretty cool thing. What we got here is, this is interesting, it's probably a giveaway from him. Okay, that's very interesting, huh? Now this is actually a confirmation to Comrade Seva Mikhail Semenovich by the decree of the Presidium and the High Presidium of the Soviet Union, or USSR, from April 1946. For long service, he was awarded with the Order of the Red Star. That document is pretty cool too. I mean, like, very nice. I also like those kind of documents. What else we got here? 9th May 45. Now we got here several photographs which are pretty interesting one. This is like a little bit certainly on the side, but what we can see here is, if I'm gonna get it closer, he has for bravery, for military gallantry, order of the or glory, probably third class. You got then Leningrad, Königsberg, for taking Königsberg. Pretty interesting person, and has even a name on the backside, so that gives me also the opportunity to research this person and find out for what he received those 3 awards. That one, Order of Glory, Bravery, and Military Gallantry. Pretty cool, very interesting. Post-war, he has also a Red Star, you can see it here, and these ones are Jubilee Medal. And here we have an interesting photograph of an officer, so with a Red Star. That's for military merit, victory over Germany, and 20 years of Soviet Army and Fleet. Pretty interesting piece. This is, by the way, an archive photo because it includes the information about this person. So it's basically saying, I confirm the commander, whoever, that this person this is a real person, basically. We have here Nikolai Yakovlevich. I can't read that. Zandin. I can't read that name, but it's actually an original archive photograph. She might be a medic or from the Signal Corps. Has 1 medal on a suspension, on a quadra suspension. This is for military gallantry, a Red Star, and she was in the guards unit. That's pretty cool. Has also a signature. To my beloved boy Shrek from your aunt Luda, 1946. Pretty cool. Also, like, I think this is a post-war, like might be a post-war photograph. Very interesting. Has the address on it and the name. Another one. Okay, again, medics or from the Signal Corps. This guy is probably trying to, sweet talk to this woman. Has also some signatures on the backside. Okay, their names listed from 1945. What else? What is this? It's actually saying, somebody didn't join, so they wrote even the name of this person. Interesting, is made on German paper, Agfa. They were producers of photographs and photographs and photo paper, so pretty cool too. Oh no, this is actually very interesting. This is a post-war. She's a medic, that's for sure. Has that old Budyonovka on it. Officer, pretty cool. Like, so it's pre-war, nothing on the back. Very interesting. So I will also have little research on those photographs and everything. So this is kind of like a little review, my first review on my unpacking the first parcel I received. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put a like up, and looking forward to show you more of my stuff. Thank you and have a nice weekend, guys.